Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best canopy beds that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Zinus Metal-Framed Canopy Bed. No box spring needed for this durable modern canopy bed. The Zinus Metal-Framed Canopy Bed has an industrial-style metal frame and strong metal slats. It's designed to prevent your mattress from sagging. The frame may also help increase overall mattress life. There's plenty of space underneath for storage thanks to its 13-inch clearance height. This platform bed is 14 inches high. Assembling the bed is simple and easy, but professional assembly is an option. If you're not satisfied or something goes wrong, the Zinus metal-framed canopy bed comes with a 5-year warranty. At number 4. Novogratz Marian Canopy Bed. There's not a single old-fashioned aspect of the Novogratz Marian canopy bed, it's unapologetically modern. Described as both clean and classy, it's available in both black and gold. It includes secured slats, additional metal rails, and central legs for added stability. This canopy bed is available in twin, full, queen, and king size. Novogratz's Marian canopy bed comes with a built-in headboard and footboard. It also has a clearance space of 11 inches, making it just right for a little extra storage space. You need to purchase your mattress and bedding separately. Assembly is required, but is relatively easy. At number 3. Inspire Q Evie Chrome Canopy Bed. This bed is described as best for people who prefer to put their own unique spin on modern trends. With the Inspire Q Evie Chrome Canopy Bed, you get a product that has both a modern and timeless appeal. It has a shimmering metallic finish and comes with a headboard, set of rails, and 3 metal slats. The rails are hollow but sturdy. There are 3 upholstery options available: gray, dark gray, and off-white linen. The Inspire Q Evie Chrome Canopy Bed is available in 3 sizes: full, queen, and king. You have the option of paying a little extra for professional assembly if you don't want to put this bed together yourself. At number 2. DHP Modern Canopy Bed. A practical, modern canopy bed, this product is just right for those who want a touch of traditional class. The DHP Modern Canopy Bed is made of a sturdy metal frame and includes a central frame for added support. The side rails add stability. It's a very durable bed, supporting up to 500 pounds of weight. The bed has a 22 metal slat base, allowing air to pass beneath your bed, which not only provides a cooling sensation, but it also allows your mattress to stay fresher for longer. No box spring is required. This canopy bed, you can buy this bed in 4 colors: gold, gray, pink, white. It's also available as a twin, full, or queen size bed. And finally at number 1. Inspire Q Solivita Metal Canopy Bed. This bed is a popular choice to build a bedroom around as it gives both a sense of luxury as well as stylish modern taste. The Inspire Q Solivita Metal Canopy Bed is a spacious, queen-sized bed. The bed's exact size is 86 inches long by 64.5 inches wide by 83 inches high. It's durably constructed from metal and a polished shiny black nickel finish. The metal canopy bed comes with a button-tufted headboard available in 3 options: dark gray linen, off-white linen, and black bonded leather. It also comes with 2 side rails and 3 metal slats. Assembly is required. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.